Mirliton Chayote Stir Fry. Ingredients: 1 chayote or Mirliton squash, 5-6 fresh shiitake mushroom or oyster mushroom sliced, 1 teaspoon salt plus more, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 fresh red chili, 1 clove garlic minced, 2 tablespoons water, 2 teaspoons Korean soup soy sauce, gukganjang, 2 green onion chopped, 2 teaspoons toasted sesame seeds. Directions: peel chayote using a potato peeler. Slice thinly round the pit. Cut slices into thin matchsticks. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon salt over chayote and rub them very well. Rinse and set aside. Heat oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add red chili and garlic and cook until fragrant. Add the chayote and a pinch of salt. Cook for 2-3 minutes until chayote gets somewhat soft. Add the mushroom and stir. Add water to create the steam and continue to stir. Drizzle Korean and soy sauce for soup and green onion. Toss well. Season with more salt according to your taste. Lastly, sprinkle the toasted sesame seeds and serve warm or at room temperature.